How to add an admin on Facebook page. Let's get started. First, launch a Facebook app and make sure you have already logged into your account. Now you'll need to switch to the Facebook page. So navigate to the menu page. Click on this drop down and select the page for which you want to add admin. I have selected this one page. Once you switch the page, navigate to the menu page again. Scroll down and navigate to the option settings and privacy. Head over to the option settings. Over here, you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Navigate to the section Audience and Visibility and head over to the option Page Setup. Now click on the option Page Access. Over here, you're gonna find this option People with Facebook Access. Click on Add New. Now what you wanna do is click on the option Next. Now search for the profile of the person to whom you wanna add as admin. Once the profile of that person appears, click on it. Now the selected person will get access to content, messages and calls, community activity, ads and insights. If you want to give full control to that person, enable for this option. Now click on Give Access. For the confirmation, you will be prompted to enter your password. Type in that and click on Confirm. And just with that, you have requested this person to be admin for the page. Once the person accepts your request, the person will be added as admin. So this is how you can easily add an admin on Facebook page. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.